Srikanth. Saroj.
Wow.
Radha.
Okay, let's keep going. Well done.
I think that it's really nice skills that we're learning, and it's really important for people to be integrating these skills in their daily lives.
I thought the program was interesting, and there was a lot of different people speaking, which means different of new ideas. So that I thought it was a great thing.
So I think an event like this is the face-to-face element, right? So, you know, experts and educators and researchers all can just meet, go to a session, and then have some chai and, you know, pick each other's brains and share and co-create.
Definitely this 2 days was the most successful event because the traditional method of blackboard teaching is no more acceptable by the students these days, and looking forward for a much better experience tomorrow. As for the day one, it was extremely fruitful, and definitely students are going to benefit a lot.
Tech 2019, it's something mind-blowing for me because I never thought of such a particular idea as sustainable education. It was really a wonder, and I was very excited to come to the program, and really I learned yesterday some good tools that you could use in education. So it was really awesome program for me.
Today we have some amazing teachers coming from Andhra Pradesh. We had a great batch even yesterday, JNB teachers coming in, and I think they're quite excited, and I think that's what for a facilitator is very important.
I found the event today and yesterday absolutely mind-boggling. That teachers are hungry to help their students learn. And it was a very heartwarming day, 2 days, to see these teachers really grapple. So it's very impressive. MGIEP sponsored this event, brought these folks in, and they came and they worked. So I'm very pleased that I could participate in such an amazing event.
In some ways, I found that these teachers are no different than teachers in the US. So they're all struggling to do a really good job under difficult circumstances. I think a conference like this exposes teachers to many, many new things and gives them ideas about how they might use technology if and when they get it.